So I am currently editing this vlog weeks and weeks later. I just wanted to give a little disclaimer because obviously I traveled and I was out and about, you know, and doing normal things, and this vlog was filmed weeks ago and things were still normal and we weren't told to, you know, quarantine and all of that stuff. So I just wanted to give a little disclaimer so you guys don't think that I recently went to LA or anything. At first I wasn't going to post this vlog because I'm just not the best at vlogging. I'm really trying. I want to get better at vlogging, and so yeah, at first I just wasn't going to post this, but then I thought, why not? I do think that this will be a good memory to look back on. It was a fun trip, and I still really like how it came out, but that's why I'm posting this now, is because after the trip I was like, I do not have nearly enough footage. I didn't do a good job at vlogging, but I kind of just started editing it randomly. I got inspired to edit it again, and I actually think it turned out really cute. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and yeah. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I look so shiny. That's like a first for me. I'm usually so dry. Anyway, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I am not in my room because this is a vlog. I'm in Los Angeles with my brother Nick. Link his channel up here down below. Yeah, we had a pretty good flight. Slept, watched some TV, you know how flights go, and then I'm starving right now. We didn't think check-in was until 4, but they let us in early. It's like 12 right now, and we are gonna go eat because we are starving. I was literally doing my makeup in the Uber on the way here because I thought we were gonna have to like drop off our bags and like all of my makeup and stuff, and then just like go eat and do things until 4 o'clock and we can check in, but turns out our room was ready, so I was like trying to put on mascara and, you know, boy brow and all that stuff in the Uber. It was just a mess. So I'm actually gonna like touch things up a little bit and make it look good. This is what I wore on the plane just because, like I said, I thought we weren't going to have this nice hotel access right away. So I was like, let me wear something cute just in case we have to, you know, drop off our bags and walk around and do things until check-in. Yeah, so here's my outfit. I got a cooler shot on the plane with like my little fisheye lens.
I'm so hungry.
Me too. But this is the view. So there's people like, oh, it's paddleboarding, duh. I'm so dumb. I was like, look at these. I was like, wow, look at these surfers going to catch some waves. Like, what waves, Sarah? They're paddleboarding. This is so beautiful. But yeah, I will update you guys with whatever we do next. Sorry, I've only been updating at the hotel, but we went and ate breakfast slash lunch slash probably dinner if we were home, so. Is this the remix? Ow!
That was so funny. You started going really fast. This lighting's really good.
Okay guys, going on a little stroll to Venice Beach.
Wait, this lighting's good. Look at me.
We are at the beach. We wore the total wrong shoes for this. Yep. Like there's sand all in my sock, but that's something I'll have to deal with another time. Just waiting for the sunset. We
have like 40 minutes.
Maybe we shouldn't wait for the sunset. butternut squash pizza, avocado toast, matcha.
Show them the sign. Where are we?
Earth Cafe.
You say, we are.
My swatch is on my hand. So the Glossier store is real cool. It was a lot smaller than I thought, but it was really cool. And now there's like this little market thing I guess we're gonna go to. See what this is all about. Hi guys, I don't know the last time I updated you. I've just been filming little clips throughout the day. Today's been the longest day, but it's been like the best day. We just did so much shopping, so much walking around, and we saw a lot of the like popular LA sites. Sorry, I'm outside just because it's so pretty. Yeah, it was just so nice. But we are back at the hotel now, and I wanted to do like a little haul of what I got. It's not a lot at all. So tomorrow we're going to Disneyland, and I am so excited. And I kind of wanted just to wear something like really comfy and casual, and I didn't really bring anything like that. As you saw today, I'm wearing like a long dress. But I just got this like tie-dye t-shirt from Urban Outfitters. Just like this pink tie-dye t-shirt. I think that'll just be cute with leggings and sneakers. And then I didn't bring a sunscreen, and I've been in the sun like all day, so that's not good at all. And I picked up the new Supergoop glow screen, so I'm definitely gonna wear that tomorrow. And yeah, that's all I got. Oh my god. I was stuck behind the curtain for so long. But today was really fun. Went to the Glossier store, as you saw, did so much shopping. Ate at Earth Cafe, which I've always wanted to eat at, and it was really good. Like, it lived up to the hype of it. I always see YouTubers go there, and it always looks amazing. So I'm so happy that we went to Earth Cafe, and I'm so excited for Disneyland. So, can't believe tomorrow's our last day. Didn't it go by fast? By way too fast. Hi guys, good morning. You can probably definitely tell that I just woke up. I look so tired. But today is Disneyland day, and we are so excited. I'm just going to get ready. I really wanted to do a get ready with me for like the Glossier store, but kind of ran out of time yesterday. You know, gotta make that hotel breakfast time. So I guess I'll do like a little get ready with me for Disneyland, like showing you guys what I'm gonna wear on my face, which is basically nothing. I literally just want to like put on some mascara and brush on my eyebrows. I don't know, I just feel like when I wear face makeup, even though I like clearly need it today, it breaks down throughout the day, especially if I'm like outside doing things. Ooh, that's sun. But yeah, I don't think I am gonna do like even concealer today. Just whatever my face looks like, my face looks like. But yeah, I guess I'll show you guys like what the makeup I'm doing for Disneyland. Okay, so here's my outfit. Oh, it's kind of dark over here, isn't it? So my outfit is just these leggings, you know, basic black leggings. And then this t-shirt that I got from Urban Outfitters yesterday, like this tie-dye t-shirt. I wanted it to be like slightly oversized, but it's really not. It kind of fits like perfectly. It's gonna be like in the 60s/70s, but it's just not gonna be very sunny there, so I'm thinking I'll just wear a sweatshirt and then tie it around my waist if I get hot. I really don't know. Okay, let's do my makeup. So if you saw my little like haul yesterday, you saw I got the new Supergoop glow screen, which I'm so excited about. I've never actually tried it, like even in the store I kind of just put it on my hand, but I've never tried it on my face before, so we'll see, you know, if I like it. I don't know how much to use. Ooh. Feels super nice, and it has like a really light sunscreen smell. Like I'd say, for example, the Glossier one, the Glossier sunscreen, it has a little more of a sunscreen smell than this. This is such a nice product. Like this is exactly the kind of product I need.